Santa!
You snuck up on me from the rear. I was just checking out the new Hitch Link from Factor 55. Well, while we're talking about rears, the next giveaway is a Fab Fours Rear Bumper for any truck, Jeep, or Bronco. And on top of that, we're going to give away a Factor 55 Hitch Link. I was just thinking of putting one of these on my sleigh. But that's not all. We got a Factor 55 Soft Shackle. And of course, we got a VR-10S Evo from Warn. And a special one for you this week, a leveling kit from Fabtech for any truck. Oh, it's a Christmas miracle. So go to fabfours.com because this contest runs December 12th through December 18th. And we're calling the winner on December 19th. Don't forget, fabfours.com.